We have 5 libraries scattered in UiTM Shah Alam. For your information, Perpustakaan Tun Abdul Razak is the main library that cater holdings for nearby faculties such as Applied Science, Music, Islamic Center, Accounting, Mass Comm, Language Studies and Creative Arts. Followed by another 4 faculty libraries, that is Law Library, holdings for Faculty of Law, AEGBS, Mitrans and Institute of Business Excellence, IBE. Engineering Library that covers the 4 faculty of Engineering, Chemical, Civil, Electrical and Mechanical. Science and Technology Library cater for Computer Science and Mathematics, Sports Science and Recreational, and Built and Environment Library that caters for College of Built Environment. Good day everyone. Here are some tips for you on how to use our digital library services offered by PTAR. With just one click, you may access the library digital services anytime and anywhere by logging through Permata. You need to log in by using your student ID and password is UiTM registered email. After you successfully log in, you may access to all the digital services offered by PTAR and also to 13 subscribed online databases for various subjects and faculties. Besides, we also provide the open access databases. As for now, we have more than 11 million collections of various resources such as articles, book chapters, reports, dissertation, and others. Next, we have the Local Content Hub. This portal contains the resources from the local author only, that is from the Malaysian author. It's either you may browse by faculty or through the niche collection for each campuses. Now, we move on to the UiTM Institutional Repository, or known as UiTM IR. It is the collections of UiTM intellectual properties such as theses, students' project, articles, research reports, and others solely from UiTM members. So, if you have completed your thesis, your research reports, and others, you may give us a copy so that we can upload 5 pages from your reports to be referred by others. And also, it is for the visibility of our university for the world ranking. Electronic Question Paper System EQPS. EQPS is a collection of exam papers open to all UiTM students for various subjects and faculties with a total of more than 91,000 papers. EQPS did not include answer schemes for any of the provided papers. You can download or print the exam papers based on the subject code, year, and session. Besides on the physical books, we also provide students with the e-books that are portable and easy to read anywhere and anytime. As for now, we have more than 28,000 collections of e-books for various subjects and faculties. You may download the book cover to cover or else by chapters. Depends on how you manage to read the books needed. This is how the interface looks like. You may browse either by faculty or by using the search box. At the end of the page, we will suggest you the top usage ebook that have the most downloaded. As you can see, this is how it looks like if you choose to download by chapter. Mata Search, a user-friendly interface and search functionalities that enable users to look at specific items or explore broader subject areas. Users can retrieve detailed bibliographic records for each item, which typically include information such as the title, author, publication date, subject headings, and call number. Additionally, it often provides availability status indicating whether an item is currently on the shelf, on loan, or reserve. We have 39 libraries throughout Malaysia, and we have total of collection approximately 2 millions. So it is a must for you to use the Permata Search, your essential tool for easy access to our vast resources. By utilizing the advanced search feature, you can refine your search to access specific resources, leading to more focused and productive results. Take a look on the screen for more information. We would like to welcome all of you to our Information Literacy class. Explore 8 modules designed to support your academic success by helping you to complete assignments effectively. Each module you attend comes with a digital certificate. In this class, you will also learn how to manage references and citations by using Mendeley and EndNote, how to avoid plagiarism with proper research techniques, and enhance your academic writing skills. Join us and gain essential research skills today. Everyone, let's dig and dive to use our services and happy searching.